Okay, so I'm here with the Hoover Dual Power Max carpet washer. I'm going to show you how to set up the accessories. You just flip this pull cord thing down, and then you just twist that, and you just click it in just like that. And to connect this, it clicks on just like that. And so you just turn it on, and I have this spot on this floor mat I'm going to do. I just vacuumed it with the Dyson. So here we go. So, to disconnect the tool mode, you just press this in and pull this out and flip it up just like that. The only thing is, it drips a lot of water, as you can see, when you pull out the thing. It squirts it everywhere. That's the only thing, but it doesn't bother me. Just, if you're in the little things like that, that might bug you. It shouldn't be the big thing, but this. So that is the water from that floor mat. It's really dirty, as you can see. We got the spot up. Now it's just like a brand new floor mat. So, tell me what you think about this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.